How to log in TikTok Lite account. First of all, download and install the TikTok Lite app on your device. Tap on it in order to open this app. Now tap on the Me section or the icon at bottom right corner of the screen. When you tap on it, you will access this page where you need to sign up, or you can easily log in with the help of the login link at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and here you can use phone, email or username. You can also continue with Facebook, Google or Twitter if your social media platforms are connected while creating the TikTok Lite account. So tap use phone, email or username and enter the information. So when you enter all the informations or the credential regarding your account, then you will successfully log into your TikTok account. As we come to the profile, we can see TikTok or Tech Study 2083, which is my account. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.